Thank you for having me. My name is Dr. Mekia Kedir. I am board certified OBGYN and REI subspecialist. I am currently working at St. Paul Hospital, Millennium Medical College, with a CFRM unit. And I took a training last year, which was sponsored by Merck Foundation, like a mother, last year on 2022, from September to November. The course was a very detailed one. It includes some basic sciences, evaluation of mainly infertile couples and their management. There was also hands-on training in the course, which was a very helpful one, including ovum pickup, embryo transfer, and even diagnostic hysteroscopy, which I completed almost these trainings from that course. And also we have also had an opportunity to assist even laparoscopic procedures as well. And currently I am working in the same hospital, St. Paul Millennium Medical College, after I completed the REI training, and also this training on advanced ART, which I took with the sponsor of Merck Foundation last year from India, and we took the certificates on the advanced ART courses. And currently also I have a plan in assisting a new IVF center, which will be re-established on the hospital called Bethel Hospital. So they have a plan to initiate IVF center there. They have full equipment in the laboratory, especially the embryology as well as andrology lab. So I am primary physician there in assisting to establish this center.